These are breaking inputs that we're getting in of further easing of the lockdown. And this is what the Maharashtra government has decided. Maharashtra government, which is looking at one of the largest number of cases here. But as far as non-containment zones is concerned, in allowing hotels, other entities and setups which provide accommodation, this means services of lodges and guest houses outside containment zones. They will be allowed to operate from the 8th of July. This is going to be on a 33% of their capacity. The permission that has been granted on condition of these entities adhering to social distancing norms as well as other protocols. We have with us our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh getting us those inputs here. Mayuresh, this permission has now been given starting 8th of July, which is going to be in 2 days' time. But of course, there's a lot that needs to be looked into, a lot that needs to be maintained as far as safety here is concerned. These are accommodation, lodges, guest house, hotels. What has been specified here in their preparedness?
Safety and security is utmost, and that's what Maharashtra government is saying, because we know yesterday they had a meeting, Maharashtra CM had a meeting with the Hotel Owners Association to talk more on this particular issue about the particular guidelines which Maharashtra government has issued just half an hour back. We have Guardian Minister Mr. Aslam Sheikh with us. We'll go across to him. Sir, what exactly are these guidelines? Because the GR says hotels and other entities which gives accommodation. So does it also include the restaurants?
See, I would like to categorically say this hotel and lodges, which are not in containment zone, we have been allowed for 33%. And guidelines have been given how it is going to be operational, how the lifts is going to be used, how the restaurants are going to be used. And I think so in basically, if you go to see in Mumbai, so far, the restaurants are not allowed. It is only for the hotels and lodges which are out of containment zones.
Because Sunday we saw Uddhav Thackeray had a meeting with the Hotel Owners Association, and immediately on Monday we are seeing that the Maharashtra government has taken a decision. So everyone is asking one question: if you are opening up the hotels, why Maharashtra government is not opening the malls?
See, I'll tell you, because there is a lot of movement in malls, and there are a lot of people upcoming and comings and malls are going on. Whereas if you go to see in the industry, hotel industries and lodges, already so many hotel and lodges have been allowed for the asymptomatic patient across the Mumbai and as well as in Maharashtra state. I think so there has been a lot of meeting going on with Aditya ji and myself also with the hotel people, and we have come for a conclusion where I think so right now the government has decided to start with the hotel and lodges.
So in these hotels and lodges, if we talk about the particularly gym or the swimming pool, will they also be open or they will be shut?
No, gyms, we have not so far given any instruction for the gyms. Only for the accommodation and the restaurant. And the people who are going to stay over there, the restaurants are going to start for those people only.
So that's what we heard from the Guardian Minister, who gave us a basic guidelines, basic SOPs that gyms and other things, including the swimming pool, will not remain open. But yes, the hotels which provides accommodation, that will be only allowed to remain open from the 8th of July. Back to you.
Yes, Mayuresh, and this is of course specifically going to be for people within the state, or this is going to be allowing people outside the state as well in widening domestic tourism for Maharashtra?
See, certainly right now Maharashtra government has now not opened their district border. So that's why this accommodation is only for the people of Maharashtra. But yes, the people or the travelers who are still stranded, or people who want to move to the hotels due to the lack of accommodation space, they can stay there. That's what Maharashtra government is saying.
Mayuresh, thank you for getting us very clear information here on this decision that has been taken by the Maharashtra government, with a word in from the State Minister Aslam Sheikh as well.